Yo, what it is, what it do, gang, 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 triple gang, it's your boy Tug.
And your girl Dia.
Welcome back to Rants and Reactions. Good morning, family.
Good morning.
How you feeling, bro?
How you feeling, sis?
Hopefully you guys are feeling nice, swell, and well, and productive, and ready to start the day just like we are. As you can see by the title below, we back at it again. Terminator 2 truck chase scene. We saw a scene before this where the Terminator was inside the arcade looking for the little boy. He had to get up out of there, and the other guy started chasing him. Now here we are. Hey, I love the Terminator scenes. You guys jump in that comment section and let us know some stuff we might not know about. You feel me? It will be greatly, greatly appreciated. Real quick.
If you guys are new to our channel, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell to all so you won't miss a video when it gets posted, because we're dropping videos like this back to back every single day of the week and you do not want to miss them. Also, if you guys want to follow us on social media, you're more than welcome to go to the description and find all of our links in the link tree. You
heard what she said. Make sure you guys do that. It would be greatly, greatly appreciated. Let's jump right off into this reaction. Saw that? It said caution 9/11 on it. They said that was a conspiracy theory. I'm gonna bring it back.
9 feet 11 inches.
Them trucks taller than 9 feet. 9 feet semi truck.
But the height of the bridge is 9 feet 11 inches.
still though. Caution
Trucks
9/11.
be too big.
That's the only place that 9/11 that will stay 9/11.
But in LA,
In LA, it don't make sense.
he's still alive. That is creepy.
Okay, time out. Stop the bike. Time out. Come on, stop the bike.
He don't know what the fuck going on.
He was gonna fill him in like, alright, my nigga, he's supposed to be leading a revolution in the future, so he needs to protect him when the other Terminator dude is coming to kill him.
If only life really worked that way, like people knew that people were gonna do great things in life,
Or bad things. Or bad
and
things.
then stop them or keep them alive based on what they was gonna do in the future.
I think the movie Minority Report was about that. Like, people see the crimes, they got this alien software you can see into the future, and people that commit crimes in the future, so they go arrest their ass before they even get older. And that's kind of
That
how,
actually may work though.
and that kind of how Moon Knight was going. The little crocodile goddess wanted to go and check people's sins for the sins they gonna commit in the future. And if you gonna commit a sin in the future, motherfucker, your soul is mine. So yeah, that was real lit. I definitely enjoyed that real quick.
If you guys enjoyed this scene like we did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell to all so you won't miss the video when it gets posted, because we're dropping videos like this back to back every single day of the week and you do not want to miss them. Also, go down to our description down below where you will find the link tree and you will find all of our social medias, and you're more than welcome to follow us.
Make sure you guys do that. It would be greatly, greatly appreciated. With all that being said, we will see you guys tomorrow. We out.